peoples, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool vibe here with OZUNA and PEDRO CAPÓ with a song called Chiquita. So this one is a 4-chord song and we will give it a try now. We need to set our capo on the 3rd fret. And with that we have A minor, F, C, and G here with the bar chord. Alright, so we'll take a look at the chords first. So starting with A minor. This is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be F, so that's a bar chord here on the 1st fret. You bar all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord will be C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is the G. This time we need to take it with a bar chord since we have the notes here higher up a little bit than the standard G chord there. So this time we take it with a bar, and this bar chord looks exactly the same as F. You just move it to place the bar on the 3rd fret this time. So your index finger on the 3rd fret, your bar exactly as in the F chord, all strings, and the rest will be 5th on A, 5th on D, and 4th on G. So same position as F, but you move it 2 frets towards you. So there you have the G. Alright, so there we have the chords and the chord progression: A minor, F, C, and G. Alright, so we have these notes we want to emphasize here. So for A minor, it's the open E, 1st B, and 2nd G from the chord. And then for F, we have the notes 1st fret on B, 2nd fret on G, and 3rd fret on D. Again, notes from the chord. The same goes here with the C. Notes from the chord, and this time we have the 1st fret B string, open G, and 2nd D. And the final chord, the G, guess what? Again, notes from the chord. And that's the reason for why we're holding the G with the bar chord now. So this time it's 3rd on B, 4th on G, and 5th on D. Alright, so alright, so there we have the bass. Now we can look at the strumming pattern and we'll see how we can build in these notes into the strumming. It's not necessary, but yeah, we could. We'll first learn the strumming pattern, and it's a very common strumming pattern for this type of music. So grab that A minor, and one round will be down, up, clap, down. It's like this. Okay, so down, up, clap, down. And the up hairdo, you don't have to go all the way up like this. You don't have time and it doesn't sound good. So you just make a turn like this to get the E or perhaps even the B string. You just make a wrist turn like that and then hit the clap and then down. So down, up, clap, down. Okay, so you do 2 strumming rounds per chord. With this chord progression, it sounds like this. And so on. Okay, so now when you know where the notes are, for instance the A minor. Okay. There are the notes, and you can incorporate them into the strumming pattern like this. And what I did there, I was on the first down here in the strumming pattern, I tried really to get this open E, since that is the first note. And then on the up, I try to get this first fret B string. And on the down, I try to get the second fret G string. So it's down, up, clap, down. And it's hard to get all these notes correct, and you will not hear them, but if you get perhaps some of them, it will be there in the background, and you will really get the feeling for this melody, and at the same time get the rhythm here. So like this. All right, so that pretty much covers Ozuna's and Pedro Capó's Mar Chiquita. So give it a try, guys. Until next time, play tuned.